What's going on, guys? Welcome. Thank you for being here. We'll be breaking down the market, just talking about the market. What a crazy day. I know I live streamed. It was like 30 minutes into Power Hour, so it started at 3 o'clock. We were breaking it down. At the time of that, the Nasdaq was pushing up, and then we had a little bit of a pullback. What's up, Abdul? How you doing, there, man? Abdul, you don't want me doing yours last now, right? Since you're here, is that correct? Um, But yeah, so just to recap, what happened at the end of the day, we got a little bit of a sell-off, right? We got a little bit of a sell-off, to be expected. But what's up, Brian? Thanks for being here, man. Thanks for being here. Told you guys I was gonna go live again. So what's up, Leia? How you doing today? So like I said, just recap. Last 30 minutes of trading that I wasn't streaming. We had a little bit of pullback, which was to be expected, especially after this monster rally here. But we're kind of just basing out here, and then we're looking okay. We're gonna be talking about the game plan for tomorrow. Yeah, Abdul, it's nice to have all of you here, guys. So basically, what I'm looking at is for us to base out right here. Now, this is a crucial area. We're really in a crucial area, and it's unfortunate that tomorrow's the last trading day of this week. Really is. So it's probably gonna be like a Friday. On the off chance that we do get crazy, we could potentially see some volatility, guys. But what I'm looking at, what I've been eyeing is this area right here. All week, I wanted to get above that, okay? Wanted to get above that, and we did it today. We're right at it. We're really right at it. Got rejected by the same levels, but the importance is that we push back up to it. So that is important. Now, one thing I don't want to happen, and it happens once a week, and it's been happening for the last 3 weeks, is this action right here, man. This all happens in one day. We just have this crazy red day, and it erases all of the gains from that week. Same over here. That all of the gains that was accomplished by this one week was erased all in one day. And it's been happening mainly on Thursdays. On every Thursday, it's been doing it. Look, this was the night. So this was the 24th. Guess what the 24th was? Oh, it was a Wednesday. 24th was a Wednesday? Huh. I might have been mistaken, but this was a Friday. I know this action was 18th, 19th. Yeah, this was a Thursday. This was the 18th. Close enough, okay? So guys, we really don't want to have that tomorrow. I would be very upset if we had that tomorrow. I hope the market will react good on the number of sales in March. I heard April was a good month. Yeah, it is. April is the best month for stocks. So that is good to note. So hopefully April 1st, we're off on a good note. And we just push up tomorrow. Ideally, in a picture perfect world, we land up in here. And we close up in here. Picture perfect world, that happens. Is it going to happen? I don't know. But that's where I would like us to get above. Now, that's only a little over 100 points away, so we can easily cover that. Tomorrow. If we just base out here for the rest of the night, would not mind that at all. Would not mind that. Look at the S&P 500. Crazy. Tried to go for 400 or 4,000, sorry, today. Didn't quite make it, so curious to see. What I'm looking at on the S&P 500 is this green line right here. This green line right here, looking for that to hold. Was a resistance over here, Now it's kind of acting as a support. So definitely looking for that level to hold for certain on the market for the SPY. I like a picture perfect world. Yeah, man. Picture perfect world. Stocks always go up and never go down. But I mentioned this to, you guys have been mentioning it. This pattern right here on the SPY pushed up. Pulled back, bull flagged it, pushed up. Guess what we're doing on the NASDAQ? Push up, pull back, push up. Looks very similar, doesn't it? And we're already starting it. How was your trading day? Yeah, I was up today. Today was been a really good day. Still down quite a bit just from this whole 5 weeks that's been hell. But today was actually a really good day. Beats all the other days I've been having, and mainly it's because I'm in Apple and AMD, and they had really good days today. Apple got another price upgrade, 4,000 more. So Brian, he thinks we're going to 4,000 tomorrow. Gabriel, no notification. Oh my goodness, that sucks, man. YouTube needs to fix that. YouTube needs to fix that so you guys can always be first. Adam, we'll get to that. I got a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I gotta do about 12 stocks first, and then we'll look at your guys's for sure. So just hold that thought, Adam. Just sit back and relax, and we're gonna break down some other stocks, and then we'll get to yours for sure. Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin's gonna break out again. So definitely looking at Bitcoin, looking for that push up, and we have that resistance right here. We have that ascending triangle right here. I do think Bitcoin's about to see another breakout. Now, whether it happens tomorrow, I'm not sure. So Mar had an amazing day. Just recorded a Mar video actually, so that's gonna come out. I really talk about Bitcoin in that video, but we're gonna get these stocks first. Let's break them down and let's get to it. NIO. So a lot of people have been watching NIO today. NIO was on high alert, and for a good reason. It was up 3-4%, and if you've been watching NIO over the last couple of weeks, or last couple of days really, it's just been down. But people have been asking me about NIO. I want to see it get above 39.39. So definitely want to see it get above that. Ultimately, want to see it get past above these highs right here. If we don't get past these highs right here, everything else is just a lower high, in my concern, and just still heading back down. So ultimately, what we're looking at in a lot of stocks are this way. We had the reversal, came screaming back down. So definitely want to get past these highs for me to feel comfortable. But this is a start. So cannot argue about that. But overall, definitely will feel comfortable once we get past this little area right here and then start pushing up again. So that's my main focus for NIO. Tomorrow, would love to see it break above 39.39, which will not be a lot. It won't take a lot for NIO to do that, and especially if the market conditions permit, then what's charge point? If the market conditions permit, then we should be good. Charge point. So my boy John asked, is charge point a good price to buy right now? Yes. I like it above the 24.72 support, so I would have bought right here if I was buying it. I'd get out of it if it breaks 23.51, and then other than that, you're straight up for profit. So that's my plan. 24.72 would take that entry, and then I would look. This would be a probably long-term swing right here. I'd look for it to get back up to here. So that's about 58% right there. So I don't know how long it's going to take to do that. There will probably be some rocky roads, but yeah, I like the entry right here. Anything above 24.72 right now is a good deal for charge point. It's a little above that. Was up 19% today, so buyer showed up on this one. But ultimately, same thing with this one. Wouldn't feel comfortable until it gets above this high right here. So it needs to break above 29.63 for me, starting to feel comfortable again. CCIV, haven't heard that one in a while. Thank you, John. You can see what happened last time I broke this one down. It was at this support, shot up, and really hasn't been doing anything. Are we about to do a triple bottom here? Think we're moving up tomorrow. We finally in W. Gabriel, I think we're looking good on the tech. That's what I mainly trade. NASDAQ, I think we're looking good. We'll look at it one more time when we get done breaking down all these stocks, and then we'll do a final overview of it. But I think we're looking good. CCIV just been pretty much dead after it fell down to here. Tested this twice, shut up. So hopefully this doesn't break in 21.48. 21.48. Do not want that breaking. It's been a strong support. Definitely needs to make our way up here. What is a triple bottom? Triple bottom is, so that would be a double bottom because you have two bottoms right here. Triple bottom would be this, where you have three. So 1, 2, 3. They both go. All three bottoms go to the same price point and then shoot up. And with a triple bottom, it's supposed to start the uptrend. Thoughts on Shell? Yeah, Brian, like I said, I'll get to that. I'll get to RMO and then Shell once I get done with. I got about 10 other stocks before I start. What's it called? Before I start your guys, but don't worry, just sit back and I will get to them. So CCL, what I'm looking at for this one. Now this one, so I was talking to some people about this. So tech, we've seen, obviously we all know tech's been down, the Nasdaq's been down, and stocks like this is hotel, resort, cruise line. Yeah, this is a cruise line. So these small cap stocks like this, travel stocks, they were struggling, during the pandemic, obviously, and then money was being rotated back into this. So that's why we saw this pump up around the same time the market started really doing bad. Money was rotating out of these stocks or out of tech into these stocks. So overall, though, this one isn't struggling too much. We're holding this support here at 25.50. Definitely want to see that hold and obviously push back up to 27.61. But so the money's starting to rotate back out. We'll have to see if it's starting to rotate back out into tech. Bank of America was down today. Yep. So financials, they struggled today while tech was pushing up. As you can see, just the overall uptrend that's been on. So definitely we have been dealing with some sector rotation. But overall, wouldn't be too worried. Definitely looking for some tech stocks to start really shining again. CTRM, you said bad earnings report. It was only down a cent today, man. Am I missing something? Abdul, is their price not right for after hours? It says it's down another cent after hours, but as long as it holds 74 and doesn't break 70, I think it should be okay. Very, very dull price action though. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. TradingView's price wrong for after hours, Abdul? Because it's not saying it's had a huge reaction. Because this is only down a penny or 2 pennies today. So just let me know if that is wrong. Bingo. Yeah, so Bingo definitely had a good day today, up almost 5%. We held this support 751, bounced up for that. Next level I'm looking at for Bingo is 895. That's been a very, very adamant support right here. Bounced here, came back down, 751, held that area, little recovery right here. So definitely looking for 895. Gabriel, I got you, man. Don't worry, I got you. GILT. So GILT, this one needs to hold support 1031. If not, we're just still in this downtrend right here. What we're working with Gilt is that it's in this downtrend. Kind of trying to break it right now, but ultimately wouldn't feel comfortable until we get back above 1281 and get back above these highs and start pushing up. So that's how I look at Gilt. Riot, what's up, Charlie? What is up, man? So Riot, if you were watching Mar and Riot today, Mar was the one that definitely shined today. Mar shined today. Riot was a little lagger. Still up, 3.5% almost, so not complaining. But Riot, what I'm looking at is this resistance at 54.82. It's been a strong resistance. It rejected price twice today, so definitely tomorrow it's going to be a high alert. This 54.82 level is going to be a high alert. Want to see it bust above that tomorrow. Definitely want to see it bust above that tomorrow. And if Bitcoin and Nasdaq's up, I think it will. So hopefully that happens. Facebook. Charlie, you in here right now? I know I saw you got a put today on Facebook. Man, Charlie. Oh, hopefully. Well, I'm in Facebook spreads, but it's at the spread's like 267, 270. Ironically, that spread was actually down today. Like $10, and Facebook was up this much. It's because it's so far down here that it's not going to move much anymore. All I'm waiting now is on time. But Facebook, an amazing day today. You got to put, I don't know, man. I'd be very, very careful. If Facebook's down tomorrow, even just a little bit, I'd sell that put. I honestly would. Facebook, you're playing with fire here. Every dip buy is getting bought up by Facebook. Now, of course, the market can push out tomorrow and Facebook be down, but Facebook has been the leader of tech. Facebook has been keeping tech afloat. So I'd be very careful betting against this one, man. Very careful. We're playing with this, 300 mental number. We're pushing up against it again. So watch out, man. Watch out. Definitely, if we get a pullback on it, I'd consider that pullback the dip buy, and that's where I would lock in your put. Any dip buy on Facebook right now, I do believe, is the dip buy and not it falling back down. So if we have a little bit of a red day on tomorrow, I would not swing that put over the weekend. Definitely not. And then if it's up big tomorrow, I might want to cut my losses on that. I would not feel comfortable with swinging that over the weekend. But Facebook, man, if we do have a dip, where I'm looking at is a dip right here, for 292. 292. That's where I look for the dip. I accidentally bought a couple of 16 call options for General Electric for April 9th. What'd you do? Did you mean to buy puts or something? I did that once. Where I bought a SPY call and I meant to buy a SPY put, and the SPY was tanking because I bought it at the end of the last 30 minutes when the dumping normally happens, and I was trying to capitalize on that, and then I was trying to capitalize on it, and I was like, why is my put going down when the market's going down? And I looked at it, I saw it was a call, and I was like, man, and I just sold it right then and there. What do you think about Tesla? We'll look at that for sure. Got a couple more up here once I get done with these stocks, like RMO, Shell, GIV, and then we'll get yours for sure, man. Appreciate your patience though. Jumia, this one starting to recover right here. Found a bottom at 31.22. Didn't want it breaking that. Next level I'm looking at for it to get above is 38.39. Needs to pass above that for Jumia. DraftKings, haven't seen this one in a little bit. It's been a little bit. Let's see. DraftKings, wow. DraftKings sold off here, came back, found the bottom once again at our support line. Haven't changed this. Found support, got back above our resistance right here at 68.30. As long as we stay above that, I do think we're good. Last time I was looking at DraftKings, we were down here at 64.69 or up here. Definitely want to hold this level. If not, we're probably coming back down lower. Definitely need to get above it. Sorry. Definitely need to get above 64.69. Tommy, I see you. Don't worry. Just be patient, man. I'll get to it for sure. Just be patient. Palantir, this one's starting to recover back again. Man, it was looking shaky down here. It was looking shaky at 21.05. Definitely looking for the push above 23.45. That's where we're at right now. We're very on the edge of it, so definitely looking for it to get back above that. Was a strong support here previously, so we don't need to get rejected here. If we get rejected, we're coming back down, obviously, but definitely want to see us get above 23.45. Two more stocks after this one, guys, and then we'll start getting to yours. So thank you for being patient with me, guys. Yeah, I got you, Leia. I'm doing it. Got you. Fuel Cell, this one right here, 11.95, needs to hold that level, and it did. It held that level yesterday, confirmed it today by jumping up, gapping up. So next level I'm looking for Fuel Cell is it needs to get above 16.33, and then ultimately needs to get above 19.07, past these last highs right here, but not looking back. Fuel Cell buyers are showing up, just need to look for that continuation. But this could provide some very good margins considering how much it was up previously. Gevo, same scenario. Looking at these highs right here, needs to get above 987 more, and ultimately I'll feel comfortable once it get above these highs, and then needs to get above 1086 after that. So first step, getting above these highs. After that, then we can formulate a plan. But looking good, gapped up really good today. Buyer showed up for Gevo. XL, man, I'd be very careful with this one. I don't know if I would actually get in this one. XL, it keeps falling through the floor. 843, fell through it, or that's where it's basing out right now. But man, it's at all-time lows here. It really is. So any string of hope needs to get back above 1070. Needs to get back above 1070. If not, it's probably just gonna keep free falling. So definitely want to see it get back above 1070. All right, guys, we're starting from the first one that called it out. So Adam, then we're going to do Shell, and so on and so on. So appreciate you guys being patient. Let's get right into Romeo. So this one fell down. Man. This one's right through the floor as well. This one's through the floor. Don't want it breaking 822. That would be making another low. Definitely don't want it breaking that. Needs to get back above 1428. That's the last resistance I have for it. Gap down at that, tried to push up, got rejected. So definitely looking for it to push back above 1428. So it definitely has some room to cover for that. Tenzin, we did Facebook a while ago, but we'll do it at the end again since I already did it. I bought out for Facebook because I keep seeing getting rejected around 1093. Oh, you bought a put. Okay. Charlie, I saw what you said in chat about they're naked, man. That's gonna be your Tesla one is the only one I think. Wait, your Microsoft call? Nah, man. Microsoft man would have to have like another $4 or $5. Is the Microsoft call like a 240? And the Tesla one might hit. Your Tesla one might be salvageable. It depends on how much Tesla goes up tomorrow. It really does. Y'all got puts on Facebook? Man, I went over Facebook. Charlie, were you in here when I went over Facebook? Man, I'll go over it again at the end. But you're playing with fire, I think, there. Support 1333 needs to hold that. If not, it's coming back down to 1294. But overall, like the setup. Don't want it breaking 1294. If it breaks 1294, look for that support 1245. But really gearing back up to all-time high. So Shell's looking good. Oh, you heard what I said? Oh, okay. So if you get the pullback tomorrow, did I read that wrong? Then I would sell it. Is it this one? Is this the one you meant? Thoughts on? Yeah, this is probably the one you meant. This one, man, this one also looks dead as well. So we're pumping up and just slowly bleeding off. These are the worst type of sell-offs. Just slow bleed off. Definitely don't want to break in 1283. If it gets next resistance level I'm looking for it to get above is, I want to see it get above $14.97 or $15. So right now we're in a downtrend, so definitely needs, if we're going to change the direction here, it needs to get above $15. AMC, alrighty. AMC, man, just basing out right here, not doing a whole lot of anything. Maybe the hype's gone, maybe it just, we're gonna get a random spurt. But if I'm in AMC right now, what level I'd be looking at is it not breaking $10. Don't want it breaking $10. We're basing out right here, so definitely don't want it breaking $10. Let's take a look at GameStop just for the fun of it. Someone said thoughts on Tesla. Oops, forgot to do that one, but we'll do that one next. GameStop, yeah, getting rejected by this resistance at, what's that, 197. So, man, this is probably going to do a slow bleed off as well. Tesla, I actually have a Tesla video coming out as well, but Tesla showed up today. Yeah, we got it, Sergey. Tesla showed up today. Man, it showed up yesterday too, but we need this. Now, Tesla's a crazy case. Tesla can run to $700 tomorrow. That would be amazing. Like I said, it's a Thursday, last day of the trading week for this week. Don't expect too much, but next week, I'm looking at these highs right here. Definitely want to get above these highs. If not, what we're doing is just putting in a lower high, and that means we could just fall from here, go back down. So Tesla, though, buyers are showing up. They showed they were here, yesterday and today. Like I said, I don't know too much. It's tough right now because it's going to be a Thursday, low volume. Don't expect too much, but definitely don't want to get below. If we do pull back, don't want to get below the 645 level. Definitely don't want to get below that. But overall, Tesla is back on his train, so hopefully it starts chugging along. Facebook, so Tenzin. Charlie heard what I said, but I was saying Facebook is just so strong right now. It's been leading tech. If I'm playing a put on this, if I have a put, I'd sell it tomorrow. Would not hold it over the weekend. Really wouldn't hold it over the weekend. I'd sell my put for the dip. So I'm looking for a dip buy on Facebook around 292.80. These wicks right here. Pull back here, I would sell it here. If you want to live life on the edge a little, give it a couple minutes. Maybe it breaks its support, and then we go down a little lower. But I would really, any selling activity on Facebook right now, it's the dip buy in my opinion. Facebook's just so strong. Definitely looking for Abdul, bro, where you been? I already did yours. I did your second. So definitely looking for any dip on here as a dip buy. Charlie, what's your Tesla strike and what's your Microsoft strike? Did you say it? No, you didn't. Let me know what your Tesla and your Microsoft strike is. So Facebook, be careful with that. Now, if we're looking at Facebook, we got to look at the overall market. And the overall market's setting us up. The overall market is setting us up right now. Awesome day today. Pushed up. basing out right now. For all of you that are just tuning in right now, what I mentioned is tomorrow, man. I don't want to see this right here, where every week for the last 2 weeks now, and really 3 weeks, every time we've pushed up for the week, and trying to make some headroom, it's all erased in one day. All erased in one day. All erased in one day. You know how annoying that is? That's super annoying. It's just really annoying for that to happen. And it's been happening the last 2 weeks, if you want to count this as one. It's just super annoying, guys. So tomorrow, hopefully, is different. We do not have this. So definitely looking for the base here, just to chill out overnight and then push up. This looks like a bull flag, though. Looks like a bull flag, and I do think we have a green day tomorrow. I learned how to do options. It seems complicated, so I just buy. Gabriel, it's not really, man. If you know the basics of like the stocks and stuff, a call is you're betting it's going up. Put is betting you're going down, and then the things you gotta look out for is your expiration. So, expiration dates. There's something called expiration dates that the call expires at, but you can sell the option before that. It's just like a stock. So if you get into a stock, you can sell it whenever you want to. You get into an option contract, you can sell it whenever you want to. And then there's some other technical terms, like the Greeks. You need to know delta, theta, some other ones. Or really, there's a couple that don't really matter. Vega matters. That's implied volatility, but it's really basic, man. It's really basic. So if you understand the basics of the stock market, you should jump right into options really well. But be careful with them. So definitely, I'd look at a YouTube tutorial. So Charlie, you said 700 Tesla call for 240. Man, I didn't even have to look at. You see on your screenshots, I didn't even know what expiration your Microsoft one was, and I said 240. I think I said 700 for your Tesla one. But yeah, Tesla. If Tesla gets past $700 tomorrow, you will make money on that option. I don't think you'll make any on the Microsoft, just because of the time decay. Someone wants me to do Nano. Appreciate everyone tuning in, though. Appreciate y'all guys being here. Tomorrow, it feels like a Friday. It sucks because the market's closed, or last day is the market tomorrow. So it sucks, but hey, what can we do? Nano, this one had a green day today, but still in this downtrend. Ultimately want to see Nano get back above 961, but it's in the downtrend right now, kind of struggling. Unfortunate to see. I like Nano long term, but right now it's struggling. Maybe Charlie 241, maybe, maybe. I doubt it though. Your theta is it's just eating it up so much. What's your delta on, Charlie? What's your delta right now on that Microsoft? Tell me your delta. So you're down $170, $178 on two of them. So sorry, I can't do that math in my head. 172 divided by 2. So you're down $89 per one. Tell me your delta, Charlie. While he's doing that, just some big names that I've been watching. Square, oh my goodness. Square's coming back. Square's coming back, guys. This looks amazing. Definitely want to look for some continuation on Square tomorrow. I'm in Square spreads. Square, it was kind of disappointing me down here, but ever since it's been starting to recover, we've been kind of good on Square. But it gapped up today. Buyers showed up and definitely looking good. Another one I'm in spreads, Nvidia. So chilling on this one. I bought Nvidia down here. Yeah, Charlie, see? So, every dollar that Microsoft pushes up, you make $14, and you're down $89 on each one. So you do the math. 14. So even if Microsoft pushes up $6 tomorrow, $6, you're still down 84. You're down $5, so down $10. But it's the last day, so you'll see like the last trading hour, like at 3 o'clock, that thing, if it's not anywhere near 240, it's going to turn right to a penny or a dollar. But yeah, so I don't see it, you making money on it. You might can skate out of it with a small loss, but that's assuming that Microsoft has a $6 day. So it's possible. possible, but Microsoft would have to pump up to here. It's done it. It went from 230 to 237 in one day. So, I mean, it's possible, but if we get that move up like we had today, we probably can hit it. But we'll have to have probably like a 200-point day. So it's possible, but we'll just have to see tomorrow. Best case scenario, we pump up in the morning, and then you're able to sell. Before that lunch hour, after or before lunch hours hit, we're able to sell, get out of it. Best case scenario. I would not hold it any more past like 12 o'clock. Because keep in mind, your theta is still going against you. So whatever your theta is for that contract, you're still losing that. So you're probably going to be actually down a little more tomorrow with that theta. But Tesla, your Tesla one may have some hope. Tesla may have some hope. It always surprises people. Snapchat was about to break that one down as well. Snapchat, man, up 5% today. Came back. Definitely looking at for Snapchat to push back up though. Definitely looking for Snapchat to start to recover a little more. Good start though. I like it. I like Snapchat. Anyone else play Snapchat? AMD had a good day. Finally, I'm in AMD heavy. Had a good day. Apple was having a good day. Sold off like Apple always does. Still range bound here, but Apple not a bad day today. So that pullback in the day killed a lot of things, which was unfortunate. But I think it's setting us up good, guys. I really do. I just feel like I just feel like we're going to have another one of these days, and I don't want it to happen. I really don't. I hope it doesn't. If we have a green day tomorrow, I doubt we have any more of these crazy volatility candles that come out of nowhere. I doubt it. I really do. If tomorrow we break out of it, because every week we've had this. If tomorrow's just super green and we end off the week like that, I don't think we see any more of these huge volatility candles. At least for a while, let's hope. Let's take a look at the VIX. Volatility index through the floor, man. Through the floor. So this is good. This was down today. Or it was kind of flat. Where is the 10-year people at that was, or on other videos, all those YouTubers? This is why that stuff doesn't matter, guys. This is why that stuff does not matter. I was trying to tell a lot of people this. Don't listen to that excuses, okay? The market sells off because there's more sellers than buyers, and who cares what the excuse is, okay? Look what happened today. This is up 1.16%. Look at the market today. Had a monster rally. So those excuses that people have been giving the market, the market's down because the 10 years up. No, don't believe that. Don't believe that stuff. And it just gets on my nerves to see, people that make these excuses. They look for excuses for why the market moves. The market moves easy. If there's more buyers than sellers, we're going up. If there's more sellers than buyers, we're going down. You can look for any excuse you want in the world or blame it on whatever. But at the end of the day, that's ultimately why the market moves. It's not because, the 10-year is up so much, because look what happened today with the 10-year. So there's a lot of arguments within, finding excuses or trying to find news. Yes, there's events that are volatile that will cause the market to move, but just looking for a sole reason and trying to pinpoint that reason is very trivial, guys. So this whole thing right here, it got debunked today, and it's actually been debunked a while, because a couple of days here, this was down huge, the market was down huge with it. Like today, the market was up huge, and this was green. So that logic, it should have been huge red today, right? So just don't. My advice to you guys is don't overthink it. Just don't look for excuses. Try to rationalize why the market's down. This is all you need right here. These candles tell you all you need to know. And, whatever news events happens, it happens. But these tell you all you need to know. And the sellers show up when there's selling pressure. Buyers show up when there's buying pressure. Right now, what we happened today, buyer showed up. 10-year up today. Who cares? Buyer showed up on the market. That's all we need to know. And then it's setting us up nicely going into tomorrow. So, guys, appreciate y'all being here. Tomorrow is Thursday, unfortunately, so I probably won't go live. I know, it sucks. I probably will actually go live. So Friday, I normally don't go live when the market's closed, but I'll probably get a session in for you guys at night once again. So be on the lookout for that. So if we don't have a live stream during market hours, definitely have one at night, even though the market's closed Friday, just to summarize what happened for the week. And hopefully we finish off this week very strong. But appreciate all of you guys being here. Thank you for the support. And then I will see you guys most likely tomorrow. Other than that, guys, have a good rest of your night. Let's hope for a green